Load your family into the 2016 Honda Pilot. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.